So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock trade ban from a banned CS2 account. So you just have to follow the steps. So just first off, you just have to go to your library and just imagine this is your CS2. So you just have to go click this help and just click Steam support. Once you do that, you just have to click the CS2. And for example, I just use Dota 2 and just click this I'm having trouble with items so that you could trade or you could be unbanned from the Steam. So just there, once you're in here, just contact Steam support and you must copy this. Hey Steam, I get banned without any reason since I lost all my skins and the money I spent on the game. Please help me unlock the trade ban from my Steam profile so that I can move, trade the skin to my account. I hope you can help me with my account but trade ban things. So you could attach some screenshots about the valid image that you have been banned in the Steam, and you could send it. And this is just a 50-50 possibility that you could be unbanned. If not, there may be another reason, or maybe your reason can't be obtained by the Steam because you must have you must have did something wrong that maybe you got banned in Steam, and that's it.